Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your single player world on Minecraft to a server or just to make it public with friends. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first you will need just to launch your Minecraft. Either you are using like Minecraft launcher or any other launcher, and then you will need just to run any world that you are playing. It can be any version of Minecraft. It can be the 120, 118, and all the other versions. After that, you will need just to wait for the game to run, and then we will need just to make our world as uh, public. So basically here we have this word. We can just delete these ones, and we are going to try two type of words. So let's have a new word. Let's just create new one. And basically, either you can do it as a creative mode by using some commands, creative server, and we are going to try another one with the survival mode. So basically, we wait just for the word to generate. And now, after the word that is generated, all we need to do is to type a command. You do slash, then just type publish, then we do true, and after that, you choose the mode that you want for other people to join or to make the word. So in our case, you can make it another survival. And here you will need just to add the ports of the server or your Minecraft. So it will, by default, Minecraft server are like that. We type enter, and now other people can start joining our local server. So as you can see, now we have the local game hosted on port 200 or 5500, etc. Otherwise, we can just do it in the survival world by just going to the single player. We can go to our survival world and apply also to this creative, and then you will need just to click escape and go here to this menu and click on open to LAN. Then you enter the number ports as we did previously. You can allow sheets or turn them off. You choose the type of game mode and you click on start, and now you will have the same effect of LAN. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.